Hello, it's Debbie, and I have a quickie little design I popped out. I wanted to make some napkins for Christmas dinner, but I decided to go a little more generic, so I made up some snowflakes just to put down in one corner. It'll only take 2 minutes. It's all one color, all in white, and it is very lightweight. I wanted to use one layer of wash away for my stabilizer. So it's just straight stitches going over each other. It goes nice and fast, and I have already test stitched out, so I know it worked. So this is it on my screen. 1,444 stitches, 2 minutes. Move you back over here. Got white threaded in, and now it'll go. Stop. I see you are out of that. I don't know why it does that. Ha, gotcha. I'm going to take it back. Just a couple of stitches. Won't hurt anything. And there we have it, all finished. Quick little design. The only reason it took a few seconds longer for me was because I had missed one little loop. For some reason, the bar, you slide your thread in right before the needle. if you don't, on mine, it pops out. And it was out, and I put it back in. Thread rarely breaks, so I don't think it hurts it too much, but it's a part of the tension, so I'm going to make sure it's in there if I can. Anyhow, this is a design that is free for you. It's in the description below. You are welcome to it. Stitch it on anything you want. But please don't sell it. You can sell what you make. Just don't sell my design. That's all I ask. And if anyone you know wants it, please direct them to my video to get it themselves. You have a good holiday, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.